Jeonhwa Bono. Jeonhwa Bono. What does this phrase mean? If you would notice, the word in red letter is Jeonhwa, because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word Jeonhwa. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 252. Jeonhwa. Jeonhwa. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is Jeon, second syllable is Wa. Pronounce it with me. Jeonhwa. Jeonhwa. The word Jeonhwa is simply the Korean noun for telephone. Again, this is the Korean noun for telephone. How do we write Jeonhwa in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables, and to be able to write the first syllable, Jeon, we need to draw first a jiet character, followed by an all character, followed by a neon character. For the second syllable, Hwa, we need to draw first a hyut character, followed by an all character, followed by an a character. And if you notice, the Hwa sound is formed from the combination of the o and a characters. The Hwa sound is combined with the hyut sound, which then produces the Hwa sound. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word Jeonhwa. Now let's try to look at this example English term. It says telephone number. Again, it's telephone number. The Korean term for a telephone number is Jeonhwa Pono. Again, it's Jeonhwa Pono. This term could be subdivided into two, Jeonhwa and Pono. Jeonhwa is our word for today, and we already know that it talks about the physical telephone. Again, Jeonhwa is just the telephone. The second one is Pono. Pono is the Korean term for number. So when we combine Jeonhwa and Pono, it will become Jeonhwa Pono, which then means telephone number. Again, Jeonhwa Pono is telephone number, and it talks about the number that you can use to contact a person through a telephone. Take note that the term Jeonhwa is also attached to the concept of calling someone or contacting someone. And with that, you've just learned Jeonhwa. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 242 to 251. But don't forget our word for today, word number 252, Jeonhwa, which means telephone. The first word for our review, word number 251, is 얼마나, and this is used to ask how much is the degree or intensity of a certain description. Word number 250 is 매워요, which means spicy. Word number 249 is 내다. This is a root verb which means to pay. Word number 248 is 얼마예요. This is considered a phrase which is used to ask how much is this. Word number 247 is 헐. This is a Korean slang used to express shock, surprise, or sarcasm. Word number 246 is 그래서, which means so. Word number 245 is 아름다운. This is an adjective which means beautiful. Word number 244 is 나쁜. This is another adjective which means bad. Word number 243 is 멀리. This is another adjective which means far. And the last for our review is word number 242, 작은, which means small. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.